Welcome to my channel. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to create a beautiful, colorful, heart-shaped bead necklace using flexible jewelry wire and a secure lobster clasp closure. This cheerful, beginner-friendly design is fun to make and perfect for wearing, gifting, selling, or adding a playful touch to your handmade jewelry collection. Let's work together on this fun jewelry project and create a beautiful, colorful, heart-shaped bead necklace. Follow each simple step, enjoy the creative process, and make a design you'll love. Before we begin working on this beautiful necklace, let's review the materials you'll need. Gather colorful heart-shaped beads, flexible jewelry wire, crimp beads, jump rings, a lobster clasp, an extension chain, pliers, wire cutters, and a ruler. Having everything ready will make the creative process easier and more enjoyable. For this necklace, I'm using flexible jewelry wire because it is strong, easy to work with, and comfortable to wear. It also helps the colorful heart-shaped beads hang beautifully. Use a ruler or measuring tape, check the measurement carefully, and then cut the wire with wire cutters. Measure the necklace to your preferred length before cutting the flexible beading wire. Add a few extra inches to provide enough wire for attaching the crimp beads, jump rings, and lobster clasp securely. Use a pair of sharp wire cutters to cut the flexible beading wire to your measured length. Cut carefully and cleanly, leaving enough extra wire to attach the clasp securely later. Now let's create the first loop at one end of the wire. For this step, we need concave pliers, a helpful jewelry making tool that makes forming smooth, even loops much easier. Grip the end of the wire firmly with your concave pliers. Leave a short tail so you have enough wire to shape the loop properly. Slowly rotate your wrist and guide the wire around the rounded jaw of the pliers. Work gently to avoid scratching, weakening, or uneven bending of the wire. Continue rotating until the wire forms a smooth, complete loop. Keep the pliers steady and allow the tool to shape the wire naturally. Apply gentle, even pressure as you rotate your wrist, making sure the wire follows the rounded jaw. Avoid pulling or squeezing too hard. Work slowly until the curve becomes smooth, balanced, and ready for any necessary final adjustments. Pause to inspect the loop's shape and make sure both sides meet neatly. Check that the opening is large enough to insert the jump ring without forcing or bending the wire. Using a pair of wire cutters, gently trim the excess wire close to the loop. Hold the wire securely while cutting to prevent it from moving or flying away. Using needle nose pliers, gently press and smooth any sharp or raised wire remaining near the loop. Work carefully so you do not damage the loop or weaken the wire. Begin stringing the colorful heart-shaped beads onto the flexible wire one at a time. Hold the wire securely and slide each bead gently toward the finished loop. Make sure every heart faces the correct direction and sits neatly beside the previous bead. Follow your planned color pattern or mix the colors freely for a playful design. As you work, lay the necklace flat occasionally to check the arrangement. Avoid forcing beads onto the wire as this may damage their holes. Continue adding hearts until you reach your preferred necklace length, leaving enough uncovered wire to create the second loop securely. Choose heart-shaped beads in several bright colors to create a cheerful, eye-catching necklace. Mix and match different shades as you arrange your design. You can follow a repeating color pattern or place the colors randomly. Make sure every bead is heart-shaped and positioned neatly for a balanced, colorful, finished design. Lay your necklace flat on a clean work surface as you insert each bead. As you continue stringing, gently guide and curve the flexible wire to begin shaping the necklace. Keep checking that the beads sit evenly and the wire forms a smooth, natural, comfortable necklace shape. You can find beautiful, colorful, heart-shaped beads on Etsy in many sizes, shades, and finishes. Explore different shops, compare styles, and choose the perfect beads for your handmade necklace design. Now, let's work on the opposite side of the necklace and prepare the wire for the second loop. Keep the beads close together without making them too tight. Leave enough wire at the end, then hold it securely with concave pliers and get ready to shape a neat, secure loop. Now, let's create the second loop at the other end of the wire. Using concave pliers makes forming smooth, even loops much easier. Grip the end of the wire firmly, then gently rotate the pliers until you create a neat, secure loop. Because the wire is flexible, you can use your fingers to gently rotate and shape it around the pliers. Work slowly, applying light pressure to create a smooth loop safely. Leave a tail so you have enough wire to shape and adjust the loop. Apply gentle, even pressure and guide the wire around the pliers' jaw. Compare the loop with the first one and make sure they are similar in size. Check that the opening is large enough for the jump ring. If needed, reposition the pliers and adjust the curve. After finishing the second loop, use wire cutters to carefully trim away the excess wire. Cut close to the loop without damaging it, then inspect the end for sharp edges. Finish by checking that the loop is centered, secure, and ready for the clasp. Use needle nose pliers to gently tighten and close any opening in the loop. Check carefully for gaps, then press the wire ends together until the loop looks neat and secure. Now let's move on to the final steps of this tutorial. We'll attach the jump rings and lobster clasp, check every connection, and finish our colorful heart-shaped necklace beautifully together. Using 2 pairs of pliers, gently twist open a jump ring. Pass the open ring through the finished wire loop, then insert the lobster clasp. Carefully twist the jump ring closed, making sure both ends meet tightly without any gaps. I'm using an antique bronze chain, matching jump rings, and a metal lobster clasp to complement the colorful heart-shaped beads. The warm bronze finish balances the bright colors beautifully and gives the finished necklace a charming, vintage-inspired Bohemian appearance overall. We are almost finished with this fun jewelry-making project. This colorful, heart-shaped bead necklace should take no more than 30 minutes to complete. It is a quick, beginner-friendly design that looks cheerful, stylish, and beautifully handmade when finished and worn. Open one more jump ring by gently twisting it sideways with 2 pairs of pliers. Insert the open ring through the loop at the opposite end of the wire, then attach the first link of the extension chain. Carefully twist the jump ring closed until both ends meet tightly together. Test the necklace closure by opening and fastening the lobster clasp several times. Make sure it works smoothly, then check that every heart-shaped bead is arranged evenly and faces correctly. Your beautiful Bohemian heart-shaped bead necklace is complete and ready to enjoy. Wear it with any outfit, give it as a gift, or sell it in your handmade jewelry shop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and keep creating beautiful jewelry.